Hi, my name is Joshua Barclay of OusterMarketing.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your Google My Business profile to generate more leads and customers. And the best part is, I am going to show you exactly how I optimize my own clients' Google My Business profile, so that way you know exactly how to do this on your own with no help. You need help. I'm giving you the help, but you're going to be able to do this on your own after you watch this video. As you can see here, we have our client CMC Sheet Metal prominently displayed in the map pack for a very profitable keyword phrase, residential ductwork installation in Connecticut. And you can see here also that we have them ranked number 1 in the organic search. So we have our client ranked twice on the first page of Google for a profitable keyword phrase. Now let me jump in and show you the bottom line business impact that this Google My Business profile is having for CMC Sheet Metal, okay? So if we go down here, you can see customer actions. Now, we started this Google My Business profile in the height of COVID, so around March. And as you can see, it's resulted in 8 phone calls. Of those 8 phone calls, 4 of them have resulted in business. So just to give you an idea of how much business is worth for CMC Sheet Metal, on the high end, a customer could be $100,000 with a commercial job. And on the low end, it could be $4,000 to $12,000. So we're talking about tens of thousands of dollars that have been generated from this Google My Business profile since March. Today is September 1st. So the year hasn't even passed, and we've already generated 4 closed sales just from this Google My Business profile. Now, let me show you a little bit more about how we do that. So Ouster Marketing is a company that we founded after we graduated film school. Okay, so we have a combined 20 years of experience in film and television. And what we like to do with those skills is we like to make profiles that are incredibly visual. We like to showcase our clients' work. Every job they do, we're editing, we're taking good photos, we're making videos. Look at this photo. Has over 1,300 views. Look at this beautiful ductwork installation here. Look at this HVAC system and look at the beautiful ductwork that is done in tandem. It really brings the offer together. Now look at this commercial job. Boom. I mean, this photo to me really helps bring out the craftsmanship. It's a good photo, but what's even better is the ductwork. I mean, look how beautiful it is. And I think what we try to do is we try to let customers know there is no better service in town. You know, this is the best place to come to. We can prove it. We've got the visuals to prove that we are the very best ductwork installers in the state. Now, this is the general manager of CMC Sheet Metal, Christopher Kavanaugh, and this is his beautiful dog, Penelope. And I think I'm just showing you this picture because it's my favorite picture that we've taken for this company, because I love to look at business owners because that's who we're working for. Is we're trying to make them more money. We're trying to give them the opportunity to spend more time with their family, and we just want to make their lives easier. And when I see a business owner just standing, and representing what he or she does, I get really proud. Let's look at the reviews here. Now, we have 7 5-star reviews. And one thing that we like to do for our clients is if you have done some jobs and you fail to get a review from a customer, we will go back and sort of hunt those customers down and send them emails asking for a review. So we're pretty tenacious with reviews. And in fact, a lot of clients are sick of me saying it, but whenever they land a new job, the first thing I say is, make sure you get a review. So we love to populate our profiles with tons of reviews. Now, let's take a look at some of the stats about Google My Business. Now, 88% of searches for local businesses on a mobile device either call or visit the business within 24 hours. I can't emphasize this enough, guys and girls. If you are a service-based business that operates out of a location, so let's say you're a plumber, you do HVAC, you do construction, you do ductwork installation, Google My Business is the best profile that you can possibly have right now. It's the most cost-effective way to generate a steady stream of leads for your business, okay? And this is a service that we offer here at Ouster Marketing, and we offer it for $299.94 a month. And I'm not going to say all the bells and whistles that you get because it's right here on our website, oustermarketing.com, and you can see in our service page right here, boom, Google My Business Management. And just take a look for yourself. And if it's something you'd be interested in, obviously give us a contact. And if you're unsure about a Google My Business profile, we offer a free 30-minute strategy session. And basically what we do is we offer you a half hour of our time. And in that half hour, you can ask us any marketing-related question you have, and we will help you. You can use that time however you want. We can look at your website. We can just anything you want. We will help you. We are here to keep small businesses thriving. I believe in the American dream. I believe in entrepreneurship, and Ouster Marketing was founded on those principles. We're here to help you. After the strategy session is over, we're not going to annoy you with sales emails and phone calls. We just want to give you a quick marketing win, okay? So if that's something you'd be interested in, you can just go to the calendar here. Let's say September 18th, 9 a.m., continue, and you put your name, you put in your phone number, you put in your email, your business name and website, and you can do a video chat with us over Skype or Zoom, or you could just be a phone call, whatever you're comfortable with. And like I said before, you have a half hour with us to discuss anything. And even if you don't want to discuss our service, you just want to use us to improve your own marketing and just get off the phone with us, that's fine. That's fine. We're here for you. We're here to improve your business, improve your marketing and sales systems, improve efficiency. That's pretty much my entire spiel for today. So thank you for listening. Once again, my name is Joshua Barclay. I'm a co-founder here at Ouster Marketing. And if there's anything else that you need, check out our website, oustermarketing.com. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon.